Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on The Greens Go.
We're back here at Universal with no masks on.
Yep, that's right. Today is the first weekend of the no mask mandate that's been lifted for those that have been vaccinated. So we're going to be checking it out, seeing what's different here at Universal Studios now that vaccinated individuals don't need to wear masks.
Let's go.
All right, you guys, so a couple things that we've already noticed when we went in. By the way, we're annual pass holders. Woo-hoo. We're excited because we've never been annual pass holders for any theme park, but now that we're in California, it's kind of like a must. So we're excited that this is our first time as annual pass holders here at Universal Studios Hollywood. So a couple of things that we noticed when we first got in, they did bring back the fingerprinting, so those machines are operating now. And right away we got sent to the bell tower, which is a really tall building in the center, to go get our lanyards. The pass that we got was Platinum Pass, which includes general parking, front of the line express lane, discount opportunities, just, I think it's like the highest. And it's a little bit more, but it's kind of worth it. When we pulled up to the parking area and just being able to go right through and not pay for parking, it's really nice. And we figured out that if you at least go, 3 times a year?
It depends on the person, I think. Maybe 4 or 5 times.
But if you go between an average of maybe 3 to 5 times in a year, it makes it worth it. So we made a pit stop in Production Central just to check and see if they have any new merch. And we noticed that there's no masks required inside the stores either, which is pretty interesting. It feels a little different. I feel a little bit weird. I feel naked not having to wear the mask, but hey, it's a hot day. I'm kind of glad that I'm not sweating under a mask. I don't think I ever noticed the windbreaker for Jurassic Park. It's actually pretty neat. Maybe you should get it so you can wear it on the ride.
How much is it?
$50. This shirt changes colors in the sun. So without the sun, it's just like, I guess that's like green. And then with the sun, it turns red.
Looks gray.
It looks like gray, it looks like pale colors.
Do you want it?
Nah.
Ooh, she's not into that Jurassic Park life, I think. Until we go to Orlando. Actually, yeah, I think all this stuff wasn't here last time we went.
I don't know, I remember some of it, but maybe they changed it out.
Michelle does like her lunchboxes.
I do. I started collecting lunchboxes for a little bit, but then I just stopped. But I would go to secondhand stores, antique shops, and I would look for old school lunchboxes, and it's kind of an expensive hobby to collect them. Check out these chocolate bars. Jaws chocolate favorite bar. They have different ones. They've got ET ones, Back to the Future. Chocolatey peanut butter bar.
You need Reese's for ET though.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. They should have had little cut up. Well, I guess peanut butter.
Let's buy it.
It actually looks kind of good.
That's good. Get that sweet too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's
that your last name?
It says no two shirts are exactly alike. Garments may vary.
Looks like the next one.
That's what the sticker says.
Pull another one out.
It looks the same. Oh, look at these. I didn't see this the last time. These dresses.
So they actually do have, I think, some more. This is really cool.
I wonder if they're gonna bring out like Hollywood Horror Night stuff. This is cool.
Alright guys, so we got the ET chocolate bar with peanut butter candy pieces. Let's see what he tastes like. We also noticed that there is no designated eating spots anymore, so you can pretty much open this anywhere and chow down. Gotta eat this before it melts. Ooh. Oh, it has Reese's.
I thought maybe you'd find like a golden ticket in there or something like that.
Oh, so it has some stuff, like an ET design, kind of, if I can get it open more. I don't really want chocolate too much on my fingers. So yeah, it has like an ET stuff, and then on the back, little Reese's. Let's give it a try. Gotta make sure I actually get Reese's. If you like chocolate, it's pretty good. And then it has the Reese's Pieces with a nice little crunch. I'm not a huge chocolate guy, so Michelle will finish the rest of this, but yeah, pretty good.
Does it taste like ET?
I don't know.
I guess we don't know what ET tastes like.
Maybe he does.
So we're actually waiting in line right now for Jurassic World. We're in the express lane. It's probably about a 20-30 minute wait. We actually overheard that single rider is back open. So if you guys don't mind not riding with your group and you want to get on the ride quickly or you're here by yourself, definitely hit up the single rider.
That's pretty cute, I think. Little stuffed animal. Wow.
How's everybody doing today? Oh, come on, we can be a little louder. Your job is to keep an eye out for smokers. Now raise your hand if you know what smokers are. Yeah. For those of you that don't know, smokers are the leading cause of death in these waters. They're pirates, thieves. They will not hesitate to turn this beautiful fortress of ours into a flaming inferno. So, in order to avoid all of that happening to us, we need to make sure that all of you are alert and paying attention. Give me a thumbs up if you're paying attention. Hey, what do you got?
It's a woman! Looks like it's Helen!
Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Nah, people look out.
Helen,
Sage! Come help me!
it's good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt. How'd you come by it?
I've been to dry land.
Oh, dry land is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation. We can all start new lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations!
Smokers!
Stand in one spot!
And so the Deacon's threat is ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land.
All right, you guys, that's it here today at Universal Studios. We hope you enjoyed this episode. It was interesting and weird feeling not to be wearing a mask and being so close to people. And I don't know. I'm not sure about it yet. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I guess we'll see. But just make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.